How to add location to photos on iPhone automatically. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to add location to your photos? Then you'll need to change your location settings. Open up your settings app and then scroll down and then tap on privacy and security. Here tap on location services and make sure location services is toggled on. Now scroll down and go to camera and make sure the allow location access is not set to never. You can set it to while using the app, and if you want precise location you can toggle it on, and that's it. Now location will be automatically added to your photos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.